welcome to Lee Does Stuff. Today we're going to be replacing some hinge hardware as well as a lock plate for a door. As you can see, these hinges are painted, and not that there's anything wrong with that. I mean, there's many schools of thought, but for a very finished professional look, we're going to want to replace this hardware here, and it'll just look a lot more professional and a lot more finished. So sometimes on these painted hinges, you really got to dig them out before you can even get a screwdriver on them. And what I'm going to do here is just take the door off first. So I'm going to unscrew where the hinge meets the door here. Pop the bottom one off and the top, and the door is just going to come right off. Make sure you have your foot wedged underneath or anything when it comes down. Otherwise it'll come down quite hard. So we pop the bottom one off, and we're going to get the top one off here shortly. And now we are ready to put our new hinge hardware on. It's pretty easy to pick up hinges, but you really want to make sure you measure that you have the right size. And obviously I did that, but just to show you all, you can overlap them, make sure that they're curved in the right way. And this one fits really well. So we get those on, and we're going to have paint touch-ups around that, but that's for a different video. We now have our hinges secured to the door frame, and shortly we will be putting the door on. Now again, when we line up the door to the hinge, we're going to get our foot underneath. So I have it lined up like so, and you can see the little screw holes there. And we're going to go way down, and you'll see my toe is wedged underneath the door. Now, this is a very light door, so I don't recommend doing that if you have a solid core door. But for these purposes, it works great. And you screw it back on, and our door is secure. And we have to do a little test to make sure the door opens and closes. It closes great, and it opens properly. Fantastic. The hinges are working. And now we move on to the lock plate. And look at all the paint on there, but we're going to make it look nice. These are going to be really sticky. You can use your 5-in-1 or a screwdriver and jam it off. Get the new one on. Screw it on. Again, this is a really simple fix. Opens and closes properly. But now all the hardware is pristine, nice. I've done the touch-ups that were necessary, and we are ready to go. It's a big change, a very small change, but a big change. Thank you for watching.